It's time for Altenew Flower of the Month. Post your projects on Instagram with the hashtag Altenew Flower of the Month for your chance to win one of 3 $30 gift certificates to the Altenew store. The more projects you create, the more chances you have to win. This month we are featuring lilies, the May birth flower, which is also the 30th anniversary flower too. Lilies bloom in the summertime and are often used to honour those who have passed away. Don't forget to check out our featured Altenew products for this challenge. Our design team members have created tons of beautiful projects on our blogs and YouTube channel that you can check out for inspiration. We also have some suggested theme challenges for you to try with the Altenew Flower of the Month. Make a pop-up card with a variety of 3D lily cutouts, decorate DIY gift tag with lilies, create a project with lilies in 3 different colours. We can't wait to see the beautiful paper crafting projects you create with this breathtaking flower. Are you ready to get started? Ready, set, craft.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!